Hello everyone, myself Mehak Gupta. I am fresher of lovely RTU. As like all the other freshmen, I was also worried about the various processes of the college like campus, paperwork, and as a fresher what step should I take. And then I came in contact with the Samadhan series. Samadhan was literally a very awesome and much needed series. I would like to thank the Naman Paliwal boss for making such series. I know it took lots of hard work to make such videos, and you guys really deserve our respect and thanks. So thank you so much for that amazing videos.
Hey guys, good evening. This is Saloni Agrawal from EC Branch RTU Kota. So today I am going to share my great experience with Notox family. It was very nice, and the seniors are very helpful and interactive in nature. I getting to know many things in the college like library, hostel facilities, mass, canteens, parking areas, examination halls, and etc. So thanks for having such a great sessions and keep guiding us like this. Thank you.
Good evening. This is Athar Siddiqui of Computer Science and Engineering, and I want to thank Naman Paliwal boss and the entire team of Notox for making the Samadhan series. And personally, I was very worried since my colleges were in our semester was in online mode. So I was worried कि हम लोग कैसे कॉलेज देखेंगे, हमें तो कोई मौका ही नहीं मिलेगा. But then the Samadhan series came, and I saw the videos and they were amazing. They completed almost entire campus and administration office and everything, and we enjoyed it. And I can't wait for new content from our seniors. And I also want colleges to be offline as soon as possible. And the music, the editing, in fact the hosting of Naman boss was also very good. And I want to thank once again Naman Paliwal boss for making the Samadhan series and all our seniors. Thank you, and please keep supporting us. Thank you.
As the name suggests, Samadhan, it is truly a Samadhan to all first year freshers like me. I am currently in Electronics and Communication branch, and I feel very blessed that my seniors are helping me through this initiative. I am very thankful for them, and it's truly a boon for students like us who wants to know the college in this online era and we cannot come offline to the college. So I am giving thanks to my seniors who care for all their juniors and make this beautiful review. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Toshita Suman from Electrical Engineering, and the videos of Samadhan were really very helpful and informative. I am very thankful to all the seniors for their efforts. Thank you.
Hello, I am Jinendra Jain from first year electrical branch. I am very grateful to the Naman Paliwal boss and the whole team that conducted the introductory program Samadhan. It was a great experience and gives us the image and all information of our college for in this pandemic also. I thanks to the team for this amazing program.
Hi, this is Priyanshi Gupta from EIC branch. First of all, I want to thank Naman Paliwal boss and other members of Notox team for organizing Samadhan program. It was really amazing, interesting and very informative for all of us. You all are doing such a great work for all freshers. Thank you so much for this.
Hello everyone, I'm Priya from Electronics and Communication branch. I'm so grateful that we all have a seniors like as you, and my Samadhan experience was so great. These videos helps us to interact and know about many things about college, community clubs and etc. when we are taking online modes of classes. Thank you for being such a supportive senior for all of us.
So hello everybody, my name is Shrutinjay Singh Dagar, Mechanical Engineering branch, and I am from Jaipur. And I supposed to say about Notox community. So here I am. Like we all know that we got admission in online era. So we didn't know anything about the college, about any faculty and about any club. It helped us a lot in many ways. Like it gave us opportunity to interact with our seniors, with our batchmates and many others. It helped us to know about social life in RTU Kota, about infrastructure, about library and all these things. And we all supported. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anil Kumar Saini. I am in BTech first year in Computer Science Engineering at RTU Kota. First of all, thank you so much, and I am very grateful to Naman Paliwal boss and Notox team for helping us through introductory program of our college named Samadhan. Samadhan was very interesting and informative. It was very great experience and helped us to know about college campus tour, hostels, library, gardens, canteen, departments, many departments like computer science, mechanical, production, electronics, electrical departments, and also many clubs. And I really appreciate your work and dedication. And thank you so much again for helping us. You keep up your work, and we are with you.
Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Aris from BTech first year, IT branch. Getting admission in a college after a long admission process would end our day with lots of doubt about our college, which in online mode was the situation, as we don't have anyone to rely upon. But a senior of the college brought a solution named Samadhan, connecting us to the college in the online mode. Through Samadhan, we were able to know a lot more things about college. Through campus tour, we felt like we were physically present in the college, and the camping tour ensured us of all the facility available at the campus only. At last, I would like to thank our senior, जिन्होंने हमें पूरे कॉलेज का वर्चुअल एक्सपीरियंस करवाया, लाइक कॉलेज की पेटी से लेकर लाइब्रेरी की बुक इशू करवाने तक, और अगर फिर भी कोई डाउट छूट जाता तो लाइव क्यू एंड सेशन भी करवाया।